Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutor Point. Today we are going to discuss of chapter 8, class 10th, similar triangles of state syllabus. Example guys, continuation, page number 204, example 3. Given that the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO by BO equal to CO by DO, prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, here given that ABCD is a quadrilateral, based on the condition we have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, now first write down what is given in the question. Given that ABCD is a quadrilateral, take a rough figure of quadrilateral guys with the given conditions, and given that ABCD is a quadrilateral and intersect each other at point O. Okay, the diagonals intersect at each other at point O such that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. That is given in the question. That one I mentioned here. AO by BO equal to CO by DO. We need to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, to prove that ABCD is a trapezium guys, we need to do some extra steps for proving ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, that is called the construction part. Okay, to get the result, how we can make the result from the given figure. There is nothing but a construction guys. So I have taken a parallel line here. Same figure, I took a parallel line, that is XO or X is a line that is parallel to AB and that is parallel to DC also, right? Now see here, I have mentioned here, this is a construction guys. This is not given in the question. Based to prove this theorem, we need to take some extra steps, additional steps. Okay, there is nothing but the construction part. Okay, to prove ABCD is a trapezium, we need to take some additional steps to the given statement. There is nothing but the construction I have mentioned here. Now draw a parallel line to AB through O which meets DA at X. So draw a parallel line, okay, which is parallel to AB, and this parallel line meets at a point O. Okay, now sorry. Now from the triangle DAB, now from this figure you consider triangle guys DAB. From this triangle I have mentioned once again, okay, only that part. From the triangle DAB, okay, XO is a parallel line, right? XO is a parallel line to the AB, right? XO is a parallel to the AB. So as per the, actually XO is a construction part, right? This is not given in the question. To prove this theorem we have taken this part. Okay, therefore XO is a parallel to AB. So that one I mentioned here. XO is parallel to AB by construction. By construction means that is not given in the question. We have taken this part based on the given statement and based on the to get the result we have taken this proof. Okay, this step. Now therefore line XO is parallel to the AB. Okay, now guys, line XO is parallel to AB, that one I mentioned here. Okay, by basic proportionality theorem. So how, based on the BPT, how we can write if a line is parallel to the other side, then it divides the ratio, it divides other two sides in the same ratio. That is the BPT theorem, right? So if line XO is parallel to AB, then how we can write AX by XD equal to BO by OD. AX or DX? DX by XA equal to DO by OB. Okay, DX by AX equal to DO by OB. That only I mentioned here. From the triangle ADB. From the triangle ADB. Okay, from the triangle ADB, AX by XD equal to BO by OD. Okay, this is also as per the BPT. This is also we can write as per the BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Okay, now in the given question, given that AO by BO equal to CO by DO, right? that is given in the question. So based on that also we can take one more step, guys. Now do the cross multiply. What we get, AO into DO equal to CO into BO. Now we can write AO by CO equal to BO by DO, because if you do cross multiply again you get the same statement. Same given statement we arranged according to our needs. Okay, so take it as equation 2. So from equation 1 and from equation 2, guys, I have mentioned once again here equation 1 and equation 2, AX by XD equal to BO by OD, AC by CD equal to BO by DO or OD. Now, so these two are common, so we can eliminate. So what we get, AX by XD equal to AO by CO or OC. Okay, AX by XD equal to AO by OC. Okay, so as per this one we have taken this one, guys. Now that one you keep aside. Now in a triangle ADC, see before telling this proof, I forgot to tell one more point, guys. See, actually in a trapezium, to prove that a line is parallel to other side, we need to take any two triangles which are adjacent, guys. So I took DAB one triangle and I took ADC. You can take any two triangles and you can solve this theorem. So in the first step we took DAB, that is DAB. In the next one we need to take ADC. Okay, now same procedure again. Take any two adjacent triangles. In a triangle ADC, XY is a parallel line to the DC. Same X line is parallel to the DC case. So by the converse of BPT, what we get? AX by XD equal to AO by OC. Okay, now we got in the starting XO is parallel to AB. Okay, here XY is parallel to AB by construction. Okay, now XY is parallel to DC. Here we got here. So from 1 and 2, guys, from these two statements, AB is parallel to DC, right? From these two statements we get AB is parallel to DC, right? So what is AB is parallel to DC? AB is parallel to DC, nothing but trapezium, right? So in trapezium all sides are different except opposite sides are parallel. They are not in same length but they are parallel. Therefore AB is parallel to DC. Therefore ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, hence proved. So I hope you understand this sum. Please go through this theorem or example once again. For any doubt you can comment me in the comment section. Okay, in the next video we are going to discuss the next further sums. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.